MYOB Advanced Business Online Training. Overview of MYOB Advanced Business. MYOB Advanced Business is a cloud-based enterprise resource planning (ERP) solution designed to help medium to large-sized businesses manage their operations more effectively. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for financial management, inventory control, sales, customer relationship management, CRM, project management, and more. Here's an overview of its key features and benefits. Key features: 1. Financial management. General ledger manages financial transactions, consolidates multiple entities, and supports multi-currency accounting. Accounts payable receivable tracks expenses and revenues, automates payment processing, and manages vendor and customer information. Cash management monitors cash flow, manages bank accounts, and reconciles bank statements. Fixed assets management tracks asset life cycle, calculates depreciation, and manages asset acquisitions and disposals. 2. Inventory management. Inventory control manages stock levels, automates reorder processes, and tracks inventory across multiple locations. Order management streamlines order processing, manages sales orders, and integrates with purchasing and inventory modules. Purchasing automates purchase orders, manages supplier relationships, and tracks procurement activities. 3. Sales and CRM. Sales management manages sales cycles, forecasts sales, and integrates with inventory and financial modules. Customer relationship management CRM tracks customer interactions, manages leads and opportunities, and supports marketing campaigns. Streamlining business operations with MYOB Advanced. Introduction to MYOB Advanced. MYOB Advanced is a comprehensive cloud-based ERP, enterprise resource planning, solution designed to help businesses manage their entire operations from one platform. It offers a suite of integrated tools for financial management, customer relationship management, CRM, supply chain management, and more. Key benefits of MYOB Advanced. Centralized data management. Consolidates data from different departments, providing a single source of truth. Enhances data accuracy and reduces redundancy. Automation of routine tasks. Automates repetitive tasks such as invoicing, payroll processing, and inventory management. Reduces manual errors and frees up time for strategic activities. Real-time reporting and analytics. Offers real-time dashboards and customizable reports. Helps in making data-driven decisions quickly. Scalability. Scales with your business growth. Suitable for small to large enterprises. Enhanced collaboration. Facilitates better collaboration between teams through shared data and insights. Integrated communication tools improve coordination. Improved compliance and security. Ensures compliance with local and international regulations. Advanced security features protect sensitive business data. Core modules of MYOB Advanced Business. MYOB Advanced Business is a comprehensive enterprise resource planning (ERP) system designed to help businesses manage their operations more efficiently. The core modules of MYOB Advanced Business typically include financial management, general ledger, manages financial transactions, consolidations, and reporting. Accounts payable handles vendor invoices, payments, and aging reports. Accounts receivable manages customer invoices, payments, and aging reports. Cash management tracks and manages cash transactions, bank accounts, and reconciliations. Currency management supports multicurrency transactions and conversions. Tax management automates tax calculations and compliance. Inventory management. Inventory control tracks inventory levels, valuations, and movements. Order management manages sales and purchase orders, back orders, and fulfillment. Warehouse management optimizes warehouse operations, including picking, packing, and shipping. Sales and customer management. Customer relationship management (CRM) manages customer data, interactions, and sales pipelines. Sales orders automates sales order entry, processing, and invoicing. Customer support tracks customer support cases and resolutions. Project accounting. Project costing tracks project costs, budgets, and profitability. Time and expense management manages employee time entries and expenses related to projects. Billing and revenue recognition automates project billing and revenue recognition processes. Purchasing and procurement. Purchase orders manages vendor purchases, approvals, and receipts. Requisition management automates internal purchase requisition processes. Enhancing financial management with MYOB Advanced. Enhancing financial management with MYOB Advanced. Introduction. In the rapidly evolving business landscape, efficient financial management is crucial for sustaining growth and ensuring compliance. MYOB Advanced, a cloud-based enterprise resource planning (ERP) solution, offers comprehensive tools to streamline financial operations, providing businesses with the agility and insight needed to thrive. This guide explores how MYOB Advanced enhances financial management through its robust features and functionalities. Key features of MYOB Advanced for financial management. 1. Real-time financial reporting and analysis. Dashboards and KPIs. Customizable dashboards provide real-time visibility into key financial metrics and performance indicators. Advanced reporting tools generate detailed financial reports with ease, utilizing a wide range of templates and customization options. Data analytics leverage built-in analytics tools to identify trends, forecast financial outcomes, and make informed decisions. 2. Automated financial processes. Automated accounting streamline accounting processes such as invoicing, payments, and reconciliations through automation. Workflow automation configure automated workflows to manage approvals, notifications, and task assignments, reducing manual intervention and errors. 3. Comprehensive financial management modules. General ledger, centralized management of all financial transactions with multicurrency support and flexible account structures. Accounts payable and receivable efficiently manage vendor payments and customer invoicing, ensuring accurate tracking of payables and receivables. Cash management monitor cash flow in real time, manage bank accounts, and optimize liquidity with cash forecasting tools. 4. Budgeting and forecasting. Budget planning. Develop detailed budgets and compare them against actual performance to monitor variances. Financial forecasting. Use historical data and predictive analytics to create accurate financial forecasts and scenarios. Inventory management in MYOB Advanced. Inventory management in MYOB Advanced. MYOB Advanced is a comprehensive cloud-based ERP solution designed to help businesses manage their operations efficiently. One of the key modules in MYOB Advanced is inventory management. This module provides businesses with the tools they need to manage their inventory effectively, streamline operations, and improve overall productivity. Here are the main features and benefits of inventory management in MYOB Advanced. Key features: real-time inventory tracking. Track inventory levels in real time across multiple locations. Access up-to-date information on stock quantities, costs, and valuation. Multi-warehouse management. Manage inventory across multiple warehouse or locations. Optimize stock levels and transfer items between locations efficiently. Automated replenishment. Set up automatic reordering based on predefined thresholds. Use various replenishment methods such as min-max levels, EOQ, economic order quantity, and seasonal demand. Advanced inventory control. Implement lot and serial number tracking for enhanced traceability. Utilize expiration date management for perishable goods. Comprehensive reporting. Generate detailed reports on inventory movements, stock levels, and turnover. Analyze inventory performance with key metrics and KPIs. Industry applications of MYOB Advanced Business. MYOB Advanced Business is a comprehensive cloud-based ERP, enterprise resource planning, solution designed to cater to various industries by streamlining their business processes and improving operational efficiency. Here are some industry-specific applications of MYOB Advanced Business. 1. Manufacturing. Inventory management tracks raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods, ensuring optimal inventory levels. Production planning schedules and monitors production activities, reducing downtime and increasing throughput. Quality control implements quality checks and ensures compliance with industry standards. 2. Wholesale and distribution. Order management automates order processing from sales order entry to shipment and invoicing. Warehouse management manages warehouse operations, including receiving, picking, packing, and shipping. Demand forecasting analyzes sales data to predict future demand and optimize stock levels. 3. Construction. Project management tracks project timelines, resources, and costs, ensuring projects are completed on time and within budget. Job costing monitors costs associated with specific jobs or projects, providing detailed profitability analysis. Compliance management ensures adherence to industry regulations and standards. Reporting and analytics in MYOB Advanced. MYOB Advanced is a comprehensive cloud-based enterprise resource planning (ERP) solution tailored for medium to large businesses. It provides a suite of tools for financial management, inventory, manufacturing, project accounting, and customer relationship management. One of the core components of MYOB Advanced is its robust reporting and analytics capabilities. Key features of reporting and analytics in MYOB Advanced. Customizable dashboards. Users can create personalized dashboards that display key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics relevant to their role. Dashboards support a variety of widgets, including charts, graphs, tables, and gauges. Advanced financial reporting. Comprehensive financial reports such as balance sheets, income statements, cash flow statements, and more. Reports can be tailored to meet specific business needs through a flexible report designer. Real-time data access. Data is updated in real time, ensuring that reports and dashboards always reflect the latest business information. This enables quick decision-making based on current data. Customization options in MYOB Advanced Business. MYOB Advanced Business is a comprehensive cloud-based ERP, enterprise resource planning, solution that offers a wide range of customization options to cater to various business needs. Here's an overview of the key customization features available in MYOB Advanced Business. 1. User interface customization. Dashboards. Create personalized dashboards that provide an overview of key metrics and data relevant to specific roles. Forms and fields. Modify existing forms, add new fields, and rearrange the layout to suit business processes. Menus. Customize the navigation menus to simplify access to frequently used functions. 2. Reports and inquiries. Custom reports. Use the built-in report designer to create custom reports. You can tailor the layout, fields, and filters to meet specific reporting needs. Generic inquiries. Create ad hoc queries to extract and view data across various modules without needing complex SQL queries. 3. Business logic and automation. Workflows. Define and automate business workflows to streamline processes. This includes setting up approval processes, notifications, and task assignments. Business events. Configure business events to trigger actions based on certain conditions, such as sending emails or updating records. Custom scripts. Use CHash scripts to extend the system's functionality or to implement complex business logic. How does MYOB Advanced Business streamline operations? MYOB Advanced Business is a comprehensive enterprise resource planning (ERP) solution that streamlines operations for businesses in several ways. Integrated modules. Financial management, real-time access to financial data, automated accounting processes, and comprehensive financial reporting. Inventory management, accurate tracking of inventory levels, automated reordering, and optimized stock management. Sales and CRM, unified sales processes, customer relationship management, and sales analytics. Project management, centralized project tracking, budgeting, and resource allocation. Automation. Automated workflows reduces manual tasks by automating routine processes such as approvals, notifications, and data entry. Automated reporting generates financial and operational reports automatically, providing timely insights and reducing the time spent on report preparation. Cloud-based accessibility. Remote access enables employees to access the system from anywhere, facilitating remote work and improving flexibility. Scalability, easily scalable to accommodate business growth without the need for significant infrastructure investment. How can MYOB Advanced Business improve financial management? MYOB Advanced Business can significantly improve financial management through several key features and functionalities. Integrated Financials. It offers comprehensive financial management capabilities that integrate various aspects of accounting, including general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, fixed assets, and cash management. This integration ensures consistency and accuracy across financial data. Real-time insights. By automating processes and consolidating financial information in real time, MYOB Advanced provides up-to-date insights into your financial performance. This allows for quicker decision-making based on accurate data. Customizable reporting. It offers robust reporting tools that allow you to generate customizable financial reports, including balance sheets, income statements, cash flow statements, and more. These reports can be tailored to meet specific business needs and regulatory requirements. Budgeting and forecasting. MYOB Advanced supports budgeting and forecasting functionalities, enabling you to create, monitor, and analyze budgets across departments or projects. This helps in better financial planning and resource allocation. Multicurrency and multi-company support. For businesses operating internationally or with multiple subsidiaries, MYOB Advanced supports multicurrency transactions and consolidation of financials across multiple companies or locations, streamlining financial management across the organization. Compliance and security. It helps ensure compliance with accounting standards and regulatory requirements. Additionally, MYOB Advanced offers robust security features to protect sensitive financial data, such as role-based access controls and data encryption. Automation of processes. By automating routine financial processes like invoicing, expense management, and reconciliation, MYOB Advanced reduces manual effort and minimizes errors, improving efficiency and productivity. Scalability. MYOB Advanced is scalable, making it suitable for growing businesses that need a flexible financial management solution that can adapt to changing needs and increasing transaction volumes. What is the implementation process for MYOB Advanced Business? Implementing MYOB Advanced Business involves several key steps to ensure a smooth transition and effective use of the ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, system. Here's a general outline of the implementation process. Project initiation and planning. Needs assessment. Understand the business requirements and objectives for implementing MYOB Advanced. Scope definition. Define the scope of the project, including modules to be implemented and timelines. Resource allocation. Allocate resources, both internal and external, such as consultants, needed for the implementation. System design. Configuration. Configure MYOB Advanced according to the specific business needs identified during the assessment phase. Customization. Customize the system if necessary, for example, by integrating with existing systems or developing specific functionalities. Data migration. Plan and execute the migration of data from existing systems to MYOB Advanced. Development and testing. Module testing. Test each module of MyOb Advanced to ensure it functions correctly and meets business requirements. Integration testing. Test integrations with other systems, if applicable, to ensure seamless data flow. User acceptance testing. UAT. Conduct UAT with end users to validate that the system meets their operational needs. Training. End user training. Train end users, employees who will use MyOb Advanced, on how to use the system effectively. Administrator training. Train system administrators on how to manage and maintain MyOb Advanced. Deployment. Go-live planning. Develop a go-live plan that includes a timeline, contingency measures, and support structure. Data cutover. Transfer the final set of data from the old system to MyOb Advanced. Go-live. Execute the plan to deploy MyOb Advanced into production. What is the user experience like in MyOb Advanced Business? MyOb Advanced Business aims to provide a comprehensive and user-friendly experience for its users, typically catering to small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. Here are some key aspects of the user experience in MyOb Advanced Business. User interface, UI. The UI is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, with a dashboard that gives users a quick overview of important business metrics. Navigation is typically structured logically, making it easier for users to find the functions and features they need. Customization. MyOb Advanced Business offers a high degree of customization, allowing businesses to tailor the software to their specific needs. Users can configure workflows, forms, and reports to match their business processes and preferences. Integration. Integration capabilities are a significant aspect of MyOb Advanced Business. It integrates well with other software applications commonly used in business operations, such as CRM systems and e-commerce platforms. This integration helps streamline data flow across different functions of the business. Functionality. The software is feature-rich, covering essential business functions like financial management, including accounting and financial reporting, inventory management, project accounting, and more. It also includes functionalities for customer relationship management, CRM, and human resources management, HRM, depending on the specific edition chosen. Scalability. MyOb Advanced Business is designed to scale with the growth of the business. It can handle increased transaction volumes, more complex business processes, and the addition of users and functionalities as needed. Support and training. MyOb typically provides robust customer support and training resources to help users get the most out of the software. This includes online resources, documentation, and sometimes personalized training sessions or workshops. Why choose ProExcellency for MyOb Advanced Business Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for MyOb Advanced Business Online Training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency specializes in training for MyOb Advanced Business, which indicates they have a deep understanding and experience with the software. This ensures that you receive training from experts who know the intricacies of the platform. Customized training programs. They likely offer tailored training programs that can be customized to suit your specific business needs. This means you can focus on learning the features and functionalities of MyOb Advanced that are most relevant to your operations. Flexible learning options. Online training with ProExcellency allows for flexibility in scheduling. You can learn at your own pace and at times that are convenient for you or your team members, minimizing disruption to your daily operations. Cost-effective. Online training often reduces costs associated with travel and accommodation for in-person training sessions. ProExcellency's online training can be a cost-effective solution while still providing high-quality education. Support and resources. They likely provide ongoing support and access to resources even after the training is complete. This ensures that you can continue to enhance your skills and troubleshoot issues as they arise. Positive reviews and reputation. Checking reviews and testimonials from other clients can give you insights into the effectiveness of their training programs and the satisfaction of past participants. Thank you.